Today, I'm going to show you how customers can make bookings through the quote generator on our homepage. This process should only be followed by customers. If you're on a client account, bookings made through this process will not appear in your account. Once you've landed on our website, enter your travel information into the quote generator. Start by entering the destinations where your transfer will depart from and terminate, your outward date, your outbound flight arrival time, your return flight departure time, and the number of adult and child passengers in your travelling party. If your journey is one way, simply press the one-way toggle so it says yes. Once done, press Get an Instant Quote. You will then be faced with the options for the type of transfer you would like to book. Once you have made a decision, press Book Now. If you wish, you can change the currency you wish to pay in using the symbols above. You will then be taken to step 3, which requires you to enter the email, first name, last name, and mobile number of the lead passenger. When adding the mobile number of the lead passenger, make sure to use your relevant country code, +44 for UK residents, followed by the rest of the mobile number minus a 0 at the beginning. Once you've completed each field, press Next. You'll then need to enter the travel details for your outbound transfer: flight number, the names and address of your accommodation, the age of your children if applicable, and the type of seats they require. Once you're done, press Next. You'll then need to add the amount of hold luggage and skis or snowboards you are travelling with before pressing Next. Finally, you can add any notes or special requirements in the section provided. You will then need to click Add Return Journey before repeating the process for the return leg. Once you've completed the details for the return leg, you will be faced with your transfer summary, where it is important that you check all your details are correct. If there are any things that need changing, simply press the Edit button and amend the details of the transfer. Please note that changing any of the details of your transfer may alter the price. Once you are satisfied with the details of the transfer, press Confirm My Details at the bottom of the page. You will then be redirected to a sign-in page. If you already have an account with us, then enter your details and click Sign In. If you are new to ski lifts and have never booked with us before, click Continue. You will then reach the booking confirmation, where if you are a returning customer, you will be met with a pop-up regarding existing customer loyalty points. Simply press Great, let's continue to get money off your next booking. From here, you can do a final check to make sure your details are correct before ticking the boxes to confirm our booking conditions, the rules of the transfer types, and confirm that your booking details are correct. Then press Proceed to Payment. Finally, you'll need to enter your payment details either by card or PayPal before pressing Confirm Booking. You will then be met with a screen that indicates your booking is confirmed, and you will be promptly sent an email confirmation to your inbox. If you are struggling to locate the email, check your spam and junk folders, as it may end up there by mistake.